So Rosalie, you're here today 4.5 weeks after your Achilles tendon surgery
Yes.
on your left Achilles. And I guess it's getting way too hot in Florida, so you're about to
Go home.
leave. So tell me, how much pain do you have now comparison to before the surgery?
Oh, just minimal.
Okay.
I don't have any pain when I'm standing on it or, in my walker. It's just when I take the brace out or just rest it, it's just like for a half a second, then it's gone.
Okay. So comparison to how much pain you had prior to the operation, is it significantly better?
Oh, yes. I had a lot of pain before.
Right, and I'm going to kind of explain to people who don't know you what you had. You had a partial tear of the Achilles tendon, and you were referred by a good friend of mine, a podiatrist in Sebring, who recommended that you have a surgery done on your partial tear of the Achilles tendon. And remember, when you met me, we were sort of debating whether we can do this minimally invasive procedure versus an open operation. And we had a couple of hesitations because one is the open procedure requires absolute non-weight bearing for 4 weeks, meaning that today would be the first day I would even let you walk, which is a very, very long time, right?
Yes.
And also, with diabetes, it's definitely a much higher complication rate. So we did this minimally invasive procedure basically to repair the tendon, and you're a good example how well it worked out.
Wonderful.
So would you recommend it to people who don't want to have an open surgery?
Yes.
Or have a luxury of not having the open surgery?
I sure would.
Okay.
Because it wasn't anything. It's been great.
I agree with you, and I think that in situations like you, when there is a partial tear, and there are other factors that contributed, because I knew that you had to go back home up north, and we didn't have 3-4 months of rehabilitation here. We had to consider those factors as well. So, well, congratulations. I'm so
Thank
happy
you.
it worked for you, and
Me
I'll see
too.
you when you guys are back from up north next year, okay?
Okay.